Take a deep breath in. And exhale. What do you see? What do you feel? Feel this moment.
I wouldn't die for an insurance company. Get in. There's water in the trunk.
Could have been certain, could have been a G. Should have never snitched, right? Took it to police.
He hits jewels, cash, and high-value items. He knows exactly what they're transporting when. There's no DNA. He's in and out in seconds.
Your guy's untraceable.
I need that.
I came here to make you a business proposition. Worked at the same company for 11 years. You're a VP when you should be a partner.
Those high-value items your company insures.
I make them disappear. Start by handing me your phone.
So you're a thief?
Guys who work for you think they're squeaky clean?
I need to start considering myself and maybe my clients.
Don't threaten me.
Life's too short to drive boring cars, right?
If you see her with me, she's taken.
What's the security setup?
There's a courier carrying watches and gems, looking at $11 million in one room, of which I want 3.
Let him rob the courier, and then you'll rob him.
I need that.
My dad always says you gotta break a few eggs.
I see you again, you're dead.
Get down! Every series of actions creates a pattern.
It's not about the money.
What is it about?
I'm getting close. I know it. Hello, James.
I need that.